Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Shoeboxed for receipt capture and tax write-offs step by step clearly. To get started with Shoeboxed for receipt capture and tax write-offs, first, visit the Shoeboxed website. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Confirm your password and proceed by clicking the Create Account button. Once your account is created, log in with your email and password. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Here, you can choose a pricing plan that suits your needs. Select the plan and click Continue. Fill in the necessary billing information to complete your subscription. After completing your subscription, return to the dashboard. To start capturing receipts, click on the Add Receipts button. You will have multiple options to upload your receipts. You can upload receipts by dragging and dropping files directly into the designated area. Alternatively, you can click Choose Files to select images from your computer. If you prefer, use the Shoeboxed mobile app for receipt capture by downloading it from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and log in with your Shoeboxed account credentials. From the app, use your device's camera to take. After capturing the receipts, ensure they are clear and legible before submitting. Submit your receipts by clicking the Upload button in the app. Once uploaded, Shoeboxed will process your receipts for categorization. You can categorize each receipt for better organization. To do this, go to the Manage Receipts section on the dashboard. Select a receipt and assign it to a specific category or project. You can also add notes for each receipt to provide additional context. Shoeboxed allows you to track your expenses throughout the year. Navigate to the Reports section for useful financial insights. In this section, you can generate reports for tax purposes. Select the date range you want to analyze. Download the report in a convenient format, such as PDF or Excel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.